In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. This is really useful if you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password, but your computer is already connected to the network. Maybe you want to connect a new phone, a tablet, or share the password with a friend. As long as your Windows 10 PC is currently connected to the Wi-Fi, you can view the saved password directly from the system settings. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen and look for the network icon on the taskbar. This icon might look like a small Wi-Fi signal or a little computer monitor, depending on your setup. Once you see it, right-click on that icon. A small menu will pop up. From this menu, select the option that says Open Network and Internet Settings. This will open the main Windows settings window for your network connections. In the Network and Internet Settings window, make sure you're on the status page. On this page, you should see an overview of your current connection, including the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Look for a link that says Network and Sharing Center and click on it. This will open a classic control panel window that shows your active networks. In the Network and Sharing Center, you'll see your active Wi-Fi connection displayed as a blue link next to the word Connections. Click on the name of your Wi-Fi connection. This opens a new smaller window with details about that wireless connection. In this new window, click on the button labeled Wireless Properties. Another window will appear with two tabs at the top, Connection and Security. Go ahead and select the Security tab. This is where Windows stores the security details for your Wi-Fi network. On the Security tab, you'll see a field called Network Security Key. This is your Wi-Fi password, but it's hidden by default as a series of dots. To reveal it, check the box that says Show Characters. Once you check that box, the actual Wi-Fi password will appear in plain text. Take a moment to note it down carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any special symbols, because the password needs to match exactly when you enter it on another device. When you're done, you can simply close all the windows. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 whenever you need it.